everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Here is our common phrase of the day. On its last legs. On its last legs means that something or someone is near the end of its life or usefulness. It's often used to describe something that is worn out, damaged, or close to breaking. But it can also refer to a person who is very ill or tired. So here are some example sentences. My laptop is so old, it's on its last legs. I think I'll need to replace it soon. After hiking all day, we were on our last legs by the time we reached the campsite. The old washing machine is on its last legs. It makes strange noises and barely works. So, this phrase can refer to objects like old cars, appliances, or gadgets that are about to stop working. It can also describe people or animals who are exhausted, sick, or struggling. So give it a shot. See how you can use on its last legs in a sentence. Thank you guys for joining us at Easy English, and please like and subscribe. We appreciate your views.